Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate your culinary game, the Cuisinart BFP-703BCP1 Smart Power Duet Blender and Food Processor. We found this versatile kitchen appliance online and have added the link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart BFP-703BCP1? This is more than just a blender. It's a powerful duet that combines the functions of both a high-performance blender and a food processor. With its 500-watt motor and a 48-ounce glass jar, this appliance is designed to handle a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to chopping vegetables. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart BFP-703BCP1 is its 7-speed touchpad controls. With LED indicators, you can easily select the right speed for your needs. Whether you want to pulse, stir, chop, mix, puree, or even crush ice, this unit has got you covered. The range of speeds ensures you have the precision needed for different recipes, which is especially useful if you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. The die-cast metal housing not only adds an elegant touch to your kitchen countertop but also ensures durability and stability during operation. The 48-ounce glass blender jar is another highlight, featuring a premium ultra-sharp stainless steel blade assembly. This design allows for efficient blending and pureeing while ensuring your ingredients are processed evenly. Plus, the removable 2-ounce measuring cap on the lid allows for easy ingredient addition without the hassle of stopping the blend. But it doesn't stop there. Included with this blender is a 3-cup food processor attachment that comes with a feed tube and pusher, a slicing/shredding disc, and a chopping blade. This means you can easily switch between blending and food processing, making it a must-have for those who love to create homemade meals and snacks. And let's not forget cleanup is a breeze since all removable parts are dishwasher-safe, saving you time after cooking. Who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy individual, a parent juggling meals for the family, or someone who loves to entertain guests with delicious homemade dishes, the Cuisinart BFP-703BCP1 could be an essential addition to your kitchen. Its versatility means it can cater to a range of culinary needs, from making smoothies and soups to prepping vegetables and sauces. Now, let's talk about practical use cases for this appliance. Imagine starting your day with a nutritious smoothie made from your favorite fruits and vegetables. With the Cuisinart blender, you can whip it up in just a minute. Or perhaps you're planning a family dinner and need to chop onions and garlic for a savory sauce. With the food processor attachment, you can have those ingredients ready in seconds. And when it's time for dessert, you can use the ice crush feature to prepare refreshing frozen cocktails or slushies for your friends. In conclusion, the Cuisinart BFP-703BCP1 Smart Power Duet Blender and Food Processor is a high-quality, multifunctional appliance that can simplify your meal prep and inspire your culinary creativity. With its user-friendly features, durable design, and efficient performance, it stands out as a reliable kitchen companion. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.